What's up guys, Termax here, and today I'm playing White Noise with my boy Rxmmo. Say what's good.
What's good?
Okay, let's start.
Fucking god, what the fuck?
Okay, Sharon, where are you? Behind you, Sharon. You look like a dickhead. Okay, come after me. Sharon, Tom. Oh, okay, I found one, in front of you.
Mine.
We got this, boy.
Dude, I hear you.
Wait, Sean. Come after me, Sean. What the fuck? Because, wait, there should be a building right here. Here's another tape recorder. Sean. Someone tape recorder. אתה נשאר איתי שאני אערך את הסרטון. Come behind me. Whoa. He's behind us. I swear. Oh my days. Run.
He's behind me.
What the fuck? Behind me, bro.
Like,
I thought.
Hello, motherfucker.
Sean,
look at your right side.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh my days. Oh. In memory of Rxmmo and Mayhem Termax takers. You found nothing.
I survived like 7 fucking minutes.
Oh my god, screams. There's no way I screamed only 2 times. Wow, it looks like a dick. Okay. Okay, Sharon.
What?
How do you feel after playing this game?
So fucking scared, dude. What the fuck?
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.